Hello, my name is Dandi Arik Dafarafialdi. I want to present a material about the role of technology in the world of education. Part 1. Along with the development of technology today, it is increasingly easier for students to learn independently. Maybe learning without technology is now not possible in this modern era because the role of information and communication technology in the world of education today is a very important role. Meanwhile, information and communication technology or IT can offer many benefits in various fields. In addition, IT also has a very important role in the field of education. This means that it can improve the quality of human resource so that this can improve the economic and the welfare of the community so that it develops more advanced. Part 2. Apart from the many roles of technology in education, technology also has the negative impact on the world of education. This can happen if students are not able to use technology properly. However, there is a paradox that seems alarming. There is technological sophistication is present thanks to retribution of the world of education. Research and development of experts from born from the worlds of education. However, the irony is that there are so many worlds of education that have not been touched by technological sophistication. Not only because schools are far from urban access, but even schools located in the middle of urban areas, especially in developing countries. Technological suffering seems to be considered normal because of the view that no matter how sophisticated technology can replace teachers. Although the actual role of technology is not that narrow. Imagine if teachers were able to use technology to improve the quality of their learning, surely learning will be more fun and effective. Party. For example, if technology is used to support hybrid or blended learning, it will greatly facilitate teacher and student. The current technology is also very supportive to be used to develop sharing of visual learning media and interactive media. Back to the topic of the role of technology in education, at least some important role as follows. 1. As a learning infrastructure. IT plays are very important roles of learning infrastructure, where the learning materials are available in digital format, so that the learning process can be done anywhere and anytime, because these facilities are adequate for this. So the students do not have to be fixated on learning in a predetermined place and time like ancient times. When they free and in public place, they can still learn through smartphones or other devices. Even today, students as users of digital technology are dominated by mobile devices such as mobile phones and tablets to access their learning resource. Learning through video is becoming more and more common and research results prove it. 2. As learning resource and materials. Resource and teaching materials for today's teaching staff cannot only be obtained from books. IT can also be used as a source of learning materials that keep up with the times, and the knowledge gained is also more complete. Many teaching materials can be obtained from all corners of the world, so the knowledge gained is more than just using books. Moreover, the role of technology in education during a pandemic like today. Everyone is increasingly aware that learning is not only in school from books, but from all over the world. This would not be possible without technology, especially information and communication technology. 3. As a learning tools and facilities. In this modern era, teaching staff no longer use blackboard and chalk because the teaching and learning process is how supported by IT. As a learning tools and facility, it will make the teaching and learning process more innovative and enjoyable for students. This method is also known as an effective method because it is more modern, so that educators are also required to follow technological developments so that they can teach in accordance with developing trends. Meanwhile, students who use technology well can also explore knowledge more broadly and independently. 4. As a source of research information. Many research processes in the field of education are made easier thanks to the existence of IT as a source of information. The existence of IT also makes one's research easier, so that it can be used and known by others. We can easily research various research results in the world with just a few clicks or just by moving the thumb on the device. There are so many and even millions of scientific journal articles and we can access for free thanks to technology. 5. As a consulting media. The internet is widely used as a medium for consulting with experts elsewhere. Both educators and students can use it to support their learning activities which are carried out directly from the experts without having to spend a lot of money. The role of communication technology in education during the pandemic is increasingly felt. Learning can be done only with asynchronous with virtual face-to-face method. Thanks to virtual conferencing technology that has been widely available, both free and paid. 6. As an online learning media. In the modern era, learning can be done anytime and anywhere, including online by using internet access. The many websites, blogs, forums, or applications that are now widely available on the internet can allow anyone to learn online. For example, there is online library, teachers' room, or others. While in the online library itself is one of the libraries in digital form that use the internet as a place. In this case, it is useful for anyone who can access knowledge source easily without being limited by distance and time. 7. As a skill and competence. Knowledge and skill in using IT are skills and competency that students must have today. The use of IT at this point must proportional or must be used in the right place and should not to be arbitrary. Conclusion. Because IT cannot reach all people, but it must be adjusted to their respective portions. Don't let IT for collect educated people be given to rural communities who on average have a low educational background, because the knowledge gained will be in vain if it does not have adequate facilities. Thank you. This is my material. uh, I close my present. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.